Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to check Bluetooth battery level on Windows 11 machine. Suppose you have a keyboard, mouse, a speaker or headphone and that is battery enabled and you want to monitor how much battery is left in your Bluetooth enabled device. Then, then you need to open Windows 11 settings. For that, you can press Windows plus I key on the keyboard. Then you need to switch to this one option, Bluetooth and devices. Here you need to ensure that Bluetooth is enabled and your Bluetooth device is paired with your Windows 11 machine. Then on the top you will see all connected Bluetooth devices on the top row, and beside the name of below the name of the Bluetooth device you can see the battery level in percentage. Most important thing is that not all battery enabled Bluetooth device show battery in Windows 11. Your device must support this function to display battery level in Windows 11 machine. Thanks for watching this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you are an old subscriber and you love this video, kindly share it with your friends. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.